Hey guys, my name's Abby, and today I'm gonna make Play-Doh. So we're just gonna make two colors, blue and red, and we're just gonna mix everything into one big bowl and separate it into two small bowls. So you will need 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of water, some table salt. This is 3/4, and you could just half everything if you're only making one bowl, and 2 cups of flour. So first, we're gonna dump the water into the table salt so it can dissolve. We're gonna stir it around. This has to be warm water. I do want to check how warm it is. Oh yeah, it's so warm. Stirring. It's not fully dissolved, but it's gonna work. So now we're just gonna add in our flour. And our oil, and we're going to mix that all in. This is a great Play-Doh texture. Maybe this much, and this, and then, oh, we have a lot. I didn't really understand how much this makes. We can put that in. This in. Good thing we have 2 bowls. It's not perfectly equal, but it's something. So now, I think all I'm gonna do is, I feel like it would be better if we put it into these 2 bowls, but I'm going to put in my blue into there, and my red into there. I'm gonna start mixing the blue first. I probably will need more blue, but anyway, I could probably put a bit more in here, so I won't need that much color. Okay, after a long time of mixing this Play-Doh, we got this Play-Doh-y slime consistency, but it's very sticky. So the red one is pretty good, but for the blue one, I have a little flour here I'm gonna put on this cutting board. hands. And I'm gonna start kneading. Oh, it's so sticky to the bowl. I might need even more food coloring. It's gonna turn so white. Ah! It's almost like slime. And then for the red, this one sticks just a little bit as well, but this one, because for texture, I think I'm definitely gonna vote the red one, but for color, I'm gonna vote the blue one. Ah, so sticky though. I really want the end result, but I feel like it might take a while. This Play-Doh turned out great. Okay, this is the end result. It's fun to play with. We made a giant batch.